Hey, Hiccup? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Jack.
Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman or trick the twins into a brawl? I think some company is overdue. I've started talking to the paintings in the hall. Hang in there, buddy. It gets a little lonely all by myself, just watching the hours tick by.
Hey, so have you seen Hiccup around?
No, he's locked himself in his room since the last battle. I think he's still a bit shell-shocked over his first big battle wound.
Do you think we should stop by and check on him?
There's really no point. He won't let anyone in. I think the best thing we can do is just give him time to figure it all out on his own.
Whatever you say.
Hiccup, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say give him time, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you, just let me in. You're the only one who believes. You're all I have. What am I gonna do?